Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Faith and Forex. May you prosper and be in good health as your soul prospers. Let's go. Alright, so for Gbpjpy this week, we already know, by the way, with over 5 years, maybe almost 5 years now in the Forex market studying and so on, I'm still improving my strategy. If you've been with me, if you watch my past videos, you can learn a lot. And I pray that we will grow together. That's my hope for this channel, that we will grow together and we'll be able to track our progress. All right, so on the weekly time frame, we can see that GJ is trending between 180 and our high, which is about 208.5 thereabout. Now, it is quite bullish if we should go down to the daily time frame, which will give us just a more short-term view of the market, essentially. And that is quite attainable over the next few days and even over the next few weeks. All right, so GJ had a lower high just around here, which was broken. As you can see, this lower high created this lower low, which got into this strong area of support. We broke this lower high and continued upwards. Now, it's a little bit clear on the 4-hour time frame where this was our previous lower high. Higher low. So this was our previous higher low that gave us this higher high. Now we came back into this area. All right, so the sellers pushed price back into this area just around the trend line, and then we had that break above to give us a higher high. Now within that, we have a higher low and a higher high point. Now we know the market is bullish. We need to find our area of interest. Now structure broke just around here, which was an internal break of structure. It did not necessarily break the high, but it broke a high within that pullback, and we had an internal weak low area, all right, or weak internal low, just in this area thereabout. All right, so this weak internal low can be a target for this reversal that is happening here, this slight retracement rather. Now I have two predictions for my area of interest. If price does break this support, gets into this area of demand, I'll be looking for my confirmation or my confluences, which definitely includes shift of structure or change of character. Maybe you can look for a morning star, in inverted head and shoulder, double bottom, and moving average crossing over and so on. It depends on what you look for when you are trading. All right, but I'm definitely hoping that price pushes back into this area of demand that has not been tested. Even if it wicks below this weak internal low and kind of grab liquidity below that area, that's fine as well. So I have my area of interest at between 197 and 197.5, and that's where I'll be looking for my confluences. Should price break this weak internal low, it is possible that this could be our area of interest too, which is around 196.5. And this has been a very, very strong area of resistance, and it can also be used now as support, and price would not have broken our higher low either ways. Also, you could use your fib tool just to see if price gets back into your premium area. All right, so currently price is at discount, our premium area being between the 50% and the 78.6%. So the 78.6 would be just at the suggested area of interest 2, which is 196.5. The 50% all the way to midway between the 61.8 and 78.6, which all of those are premium areas. This would be my area of interest 1. So there are a lot of alignments taking place here, and I'm really looking forward to see what's happening. My take profit is definitely going to be just around 201, with hopes that price will push as far as, all right, so we have 201 as TP1, with hopes that price will push as deep as, what's that, 202.5. All right, so TP1 definitely going after 201, maybe 201.3, 0.5 thereabout, with maximum levels before we see any major pullback at 202.5. So for this upcoming week, those are my predictions. I'm really looking forward to this week. There are some very good, you can look at GU, really clean structure going on for that. Perhaps I'll make another video. It's just that this channel is dedicated to Gbpjpy. Like, share, subscribe, please. All right. But thank you so much for coming on. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.